We just finished doing a SQL trigger for all back end logic to find a medium price for a blueprint. Why? Because we can. Okay, what you just have built, now you have an automatic economic indexing, medium based price stability, no front end calculation dependency. Sick with it. No need to remember where complete logic lives. Self updating market intelligence. Oh shit. We gave it a little heartbeat, you know? Ties into that front UN index, a little heartbeat I gave it. Toot, toot. And it only activates on status completed, trade, and market price. So yeah, because we ran a SQL back here, boom, boom, and it actually gave us a medium price for these trades. So that was pretty freaking cool. So now, okay, next step, connect it to your model. Let's see. Now we don't touch backend anymore, solid. We just display, here's what you tell Lovable. Prompt for Lovable. In the create listing model, open all model, opens, fetch me the price, trademark, blueprint status, where my matches come. If vertical exists, trade counter display. Suggest price. Okay, that's it. Now we're separating database, economic engine, front end, position layer, exactly how it should be. If you want, we can make it further steps. We can inject it. Right now, request it from project and actual marketplace interaction. How are you feeling about it? Oh, I just wanted to see what these databases could really freaking pump out. And we created some kind of self-updating market intelligence. So that's pretty cool, just for a freaking seed-based currency game for our creators. What? What? That's pretty solid, bro. Okay, we'll tell this to Lovable. Lovable. And then we'll see what she does. She shouldn't take that much credit. We did already the hard lifting. 60.6. And it's nice because it doesn't go in there and try to my data, my SQL or something. This is the market. First video I ever received. This building a blueprint seed-based market, because that's the one thing you can max trade drop. You do like 2,900 seeds you could do max. So I just did 2,500 because who wants to freaking carry 2,900 seeds low key? Fucking no room in that bitch. But if the fucking community wants max 2,800, no problem. I can raise it, dude. One message I get. Yo, raise it 2,800. And bet, bro. Bet, bro. No fucking problem. Fix the fallback message. Now shows no market data yet. For both zero records and if you're in 3 trades matching. Okay, we'll go ahead and just publish this bitch and we're gonna test it out and see what it looks like, and then we'll take some screenshots, give it to ChatGPT, and see how more we can go in depth and make it more professional. Just AI talking to AI. So I built this whole freaking market. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? I think so. Look at my admin. Whoop. Solid, always gets me. Alright, one quick brewski, and then back to work. Look at that. you spam it, I think every 5 seconds, it goes up here. Bah, bah, bah. It's a 5 second counter around here. Well, yeah. Traders online. Yep, that's me and me. Hold on, where is this account? Okay, here. But I kind of need to because I'm doing a bunch of tests. And okay, so this is logic right here. Let's flush it. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. Accept. Processing. Let me make sure all the trades work still. 100. Okay, 100. Okay. This guy over here. Let's go to. Oh yeah, this is the blue cards. Okay. Let's see. I need to do. We'll do a couple silly ones. Suggested price. Okay, it's working. Look. Oh shit. Solid, yo. So this is all real time. I don't dictate any of these prices. So the more users we have, like the more like I think we got it cool. If the anvil freaking is going for 50, then the suggested price will be 50. Oh my god, that's sick with it. That's sick with it. It loaded, it worked, and we did the back end SQ. Alright, let's take a screenshot of it, and then let's see what ChatGPT will do to freaking spice it up. Spice life. I want to spice life and alcohol. Okay, let's just make sure. Okay, this could go over here. I gotta kind of get my shit together. This is a totally different idea. Movables here. Whoops. What the fuck is the other one? Ah, there she is. Ah, there she is, Captain. Arr, what the fuck? Okay, back to action. That's it, you are now separating database economic engine foundation. Beautiful. A plus. Okay, get some agua. You cross from a line from fund project to actual marketplace infrastructure. How are you feeling about that? Fuck yeah! Pumped up, bro. Yo, I'm pretty pumped up about it. First of all, thank you very much. A plus, glaze all you. Oh, actually, I shouldn't tell him glazing it. Oh, reset. I love that feature. Brother, you are number one. This shit is looking fucking fire so far. Take a look. I attached the picture. It actually already worked on one of the ones that I spammed earlier. I was just making a test account, and it suggested the median price 640. I was like, oh shit, that's fucking pretty badass. And now I'm reading your chart over here, your prompt, and yes, I want everything, man. All the bells and whistles. The volume indicator, 7-day, 30-day, 30-day trend indicator, the percent above, below, medium indicator, boom, boom, boom. And a market confidence score? Absolutely. I want all of that. Right in that. Ooh, that will look so freaking sexy. Yeah, I wonder what he gonna do. He gonna just put some work up on it. Oh, what? Oh no, I forgot. We're doing freaking high definition. High definition. Oh shit. can we do? What can we do? We'll just. This is how it looks. He's just gonna have to assume it's awesome. Let's go. Just like a woman, every boom, 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 she starts responding intelligent. He's spamming trade database calculates models for 6 minutes. Magic. Manual logic. No recalculation button. No refresh hacks. That's infrastructure. Now, you want the full market dashboard energy inside the model. Hell yeah, good. We'll layer it properly without turning it into a cluttered mess. Bet. Phase 2, market intelligent layer. We're going to add 4 enhancements. Volume indicator, 7-day, 30-day medium, trend indicator, up and down, market confidence score. And we'll keep it a model clean. Volume indicator, trade count, we'll add users, why this matters, high volume, stable market, low volume, price may be on, reliable. 7-day, 30-day medium. We extend the function to calculate median in the last 15 trades. Bothering me. Medium last 15 trades already done. Medium last 7 days, medium 30 days. Now we can show 7 days, medium 610, 30, 580. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Okay, trend indicator auto calculated. Trend formula on display. Boom, boom, boom. This gives real life market feel. Absolutely. It's got a heartbeat with intelligence in it. 4% above medium while typing, while user says 222. Hell yeah, market confidence score. We need it. Model layup concept. It's powerful. But we must keep typography stubble. Small font, muted color, not louder price input. What needs backend change? We extend Boolean market status to include median. We modify trigger slightly to calculate those two. It's just extending the same struct architecture. Architecture still database owned, still automatic, still clean. Important, do it in phases. Don't dump everything at once. I suggest phase 2A. Add 3 to phase 2. Confidence score. Phase 3. Big picture. Are you building now as a trade helper? It's becoming a piece discover engine for arc readers. If this ever gains traction, people will check your site to see blueprint trends. That's wild considering this started as a just fucking around. Next move. Do you want me to extend your SQL trigger now to calculate or first design a clean state table upgrade? Or design a full model you could expect before touching backend again. You know, I always like to hit backend first, I always like to hit it from the back. That's just me. Let's start with that first. And then we'll work on the front end. We'll extend your use issue only clean no hack there right now. Right now, your system already calculates medium last 15 trades. Trade count used for medium. Now we update it to 7-day medium, 30-day medium, 7-day trade count, 30-day trade count. Keep existing rolling medium. And still database owned and still trigger based. All automatic. Step 1. Run this in sequels. Okay. Step 2. Update the median function. While replacing the existing function with a enhanced one. Paste this in the base. Okay, I gotta ask it though something. Because it's thinking I have access to Supabase. I don't. I have access to SQL, but I gotta see if this is the same thing as it's referencing. Sometimes I forget I'm working with Lovable, and you don't have access to uh, Supabase editor. You only have a SQL editor, so I gotta ask it. No, definitely. I read all your instructions, and I can access the SQL editor in Lovable, but you do mention paste this in Supabase. Is this the same thing as the SQL editor in Lovable? Because I don't think Lovable has a Supabase editor function. Might be wrong. I'm not too sure. But please explain and like kind of double check everything. Okay, so we'll see. Good catch. Very important decision there. Short answer. If Lovable's SQL editor is directly connected to your SQL database, then yes, it's the same thing. If it's just a local data SQL box and no one affect production, we need to verify which one is actually what actually matters. All SQL have been writing most of the actually. I think it is. If it's see, you double check it and it fucks it. You know. That's the one thing I wish you had. Like, ask it a quick question, but don't like interrupt my current logic of how. Like, it's a side question, but like it's deep thought. Like, oh, that's one feature it needs to have. Let's see. Where did you run it? Okay. Now I fucking confused it, you know? No, because one time it asked me to like run some shit. And I was like, bro, you can't run this and this. He's like, oh yeah, Lovable doesn't have that feature. I'm like, oh shit. What the hell did I spend an hour building this for? You know? Okay, so if everything is in SQL where I put that trigger, then no problem. I can use that, correct? Yes, exactly. You installed the first trigger and function in SQL editor and it created a blueprint marker. Okay, okay. Now I understand what it's kind of telling me. It might fuck me a little bit earlier. Just the wording it used. Just double check the logic. It just this only makes sense. If you installed that first trigger function in SQL editor and it created yes. Actually, updated mediums when you complete it. Yeah, so that's the same place again. Because this is yes, good man. Think of it like this: that SQL editor is just a doorway. If you open that door earlier, it modifies your real house. You can walk through the same door again. Okay. As long as you see real production tables, you saw the trigger working, you stand live, you're safe. Important safety check. Option plus one. Before running the upgraded function, you can verify your trigger exists. You should see trade trigger completed. If you see that, you're definitely in the correct database. So yes, run that table. Updated function in the same SQL. Once you install trigger, everything will continue working just enhanced. Then tell me your blueprint mark stats table looks like one trade or upgrading price hive engine. Okay, so go ahead and run it and tell me what your blueprint market stats table looks like after one new trade. Okay. Shit, we're fucking compressing her. She's running full speed, Captain. Full fucking speed. Oh, she's a big boy. She's a big boy. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, step one, expand. Okay, run this in SQL. Boom, bada, boom. Copied. Okay, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, clear that. Okay, let's see. Run this in SQL. Boom, boom. Run. Run anyway. Poof. Hey, nice. Replacing existing functions with enhanced one. Paste this nice. Okay, she's a fatty. Okay. Copy code. Let's clear it. Boom, bada, boom. Run. Run anyway. Oof. Okay, that's successful. That is good. That is good news. That is very good news. Look at all this code we just ran. Cool stuff. Cool stuff, guys. So cool. So cool. Okay, now we go to here and we're gonna make a trade. I don't think I have to update it since we ran it through SQL, so might as well just try, see, accept, confirm. Okay. We did a trade test. Oh shit. Jesus. That's gonna be a nice edit. It's time we edit it a little bit. Okay, cool. Well, okay. We ran all this code. Do this, complete one new trade, then run this. Doop. Whoop. Oh, look at this shit, it's fucking... Oh fuck, wrong one. Boom, bada, boom. Run. Cool, cool. But it's a medium price, trade count 15. Oh, it's not 30 days, 7. I'm not even launched for 7 days yet, you know? So, like, I don't know, couple days in here running all this stuff. Let's see what. Okay. So now you should have this. Okay. Update, you should see, okay, what? Before running the upgrade function, you can refer to trigger exist. Okay. Okay, I ran it. Boom. Perfect. And don't panic, this is expected. Median price working. This does not mean it's broken. It means your existing computed trades likely have competed at timestamps older than. Your older trades may not have completed populated. Run this. Look at time spans. If they are older than 30, why this still works? Okay, we'll run it. It wants me to run it, bro. No problem. Shit. Let's see what. says. Okay, we ran it, and then let's see. Oh shit. Okay. So it's telling us likely issue in upgrade function for 7 days and 30 days we did. But there's several things. You compiled column as timestamp time zone now. If time zone where and it's fine. Real issue 7 they did not include. Which is fine, but the real suspect is we use suspect area. Okay, we did not sort the array before completing precise, but it works fine without sorting, so that's not it. The real issue is likely the function hasn't been triggered since upgrade for those blueprints. Remember, the trigger only fires when status completed, existing completed. Okay, okay. Mainly force calculations, then check. Expect 7 to populate immediately. Okay, well, let's see. Oh shit, it's over here, but I can't fucking see it, I think. Let's see, export it, download it. Is anything even on here? Curious. Huh. Oh, maybe it was a bad fucking one. Let's try a different one. Let's go back. Let's do a little debugging. Let's move that guy over here. That's cancel. I'm doing a little debugging. Okay. Let's do this, guys. Everything seems. Sometimes when this shit happens, it's updated. Okay, good, good, good. It's good to just refresh the whole UE. Except, I don't understand. Should know who I am. Okay, boom, bada boom. Okay, mark it, and let's do this one. And I'm gonna freaking put some right here. We're gonna just use anvil grip, buy, purchase, new, we'll do 50, 24 hours, 96, just change it up, see what's going on, and make sure everything is working. You know, let's make sure this program is working. 350, 299, brother, less 299, 299, it's a good deal, good deal. Good deal. Should be firing notifications for meetups and reviews, and we'll double check that. Oh yeah, we'll do that. 45. That's a good price. Good price, 145. But then we'll throw in a buy order for 100. Boom, more cheap. They should already calculate our spread. Make sure that's working. And we'll accept the Hunsky. Boom. Make sure everything's working. Firing. Okay. Okay, now what the hell are we doing? What the helly? What the helly? Where the fudgies? Where? It's over here somewhere. Oh my god, that's not it. Okay. Let's do this. Let's tell him. Okay, I refreshed my browser and I ran some more simulated tests on two accounts on the Anvil. Um, what should I do at this moment? Let's find out what he says. Right now, after new simulated trades, do this. Mainly force recognition just to be sure. Run this for blueprints traded. Run this for one of the blueprints you just traded. Then, so, manual blueprint ID, okay. And can I just find that blueprint ID in my trades table? Or where? In my database? You grab your blueprint ID directly from your trades table, and that's the correct place. And if you just complete a trade that you want most recent one, select. If you just completed a trade and you want the most recent one, then show you the most recent completed trades. Click the blueprint ID. Okay. Okay. Okay, homie. Okay, okay, I totally understand. I totally understand you. Let's fucking run one. Blueprint ID. I think they should be all the same. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I'll just give you the. I'm just gonna give you the blueprint ID, and then can you just give me the full code? Make sure we don't fucking miss anything. Boom. Love it. Clean and direct. Here's exactly what you paste the secure letter. Force it. Recalculate the blueprint. Copy. Run. Huh. Something's not how it should be. Oh. Select. Okay, then check the updated stats. Copy. Run. Oh shit, hey. Yo. Bravo, guys. Bravo. We actually did it correct earlier. And it just needed to be like reset and flushed. See? Simple, dimple. Check that shit out. We have a full fucking column, table, full. That's it. No extra syntax, no wrapping, just for both. And pull and paste so I can see and verify. We're verifying live engine behavior now. Oh, excuse me. Yes. That is exactly what we wanted to see. Let's break this down calmly so you understand how powerful this is. Median price. Last 15 trades rolling median. Median 7 days. Median of trades in the last 7 days. Median 30. Median of trades in the last 30 days. Trade count 15. Used for rolling median. Trade count 7 days, 18. Trade count 30, 18. This means you have 18 completed market trades in the last 30 days. All 18 are within 7 days, so 7 days are 30 days equal. In the last 15 trades, slightly skew higher than the full 30-day sample, 350 versus 264. That's real trend signal. Your engine is working perfectly. So I did a bunch of tests on this for like, I don't know, I do like a couple for 1,000, a couple for 600, 700. Just feed it a bunch of different data so I could get these kind of results and compare if the engines are working correctly. And boom, that's the real trend signal. Your engine is working perfectly. What this means, you now have short-term pricing, last 15 trades. Weekly pricing, 7 days. Monthly pricing, 30 days. Volume indicators, 7 days and 30 days. Automatic recalculations. Fully database owned market intelligence. That is not hobby level anymore. Now we can compute trend formula in your case. Okay, so currently natural trend in 7 days rise above the upward trend, 7 days drop downward. Market confidence based on trade count 30 days 18 used to your system. Boom, 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 boom. You're currently high confidence market. Now we move to front end phase. I hit it from the back. We hit it from the back and we got her done. Cool, cool. Now you officially have the all back end signals. Next, we wire the model to show. Suggested price, boom. Based on 15 recent trends, 7-day median, 30-day median, trend at neutral, market confidence high, 30-day volume, 18 trades. And then, live percent above market indicator while typing. You feeling that shift? I thought he said shit. I'm like, I'm feeling that shit, bro. Oh my god. You now have not just a trading board, a functioning price discovery engine. Ready to wipe the UR layer? Hell yeah, brother. Yes, please. Hell yeah, brother. And thank you for everything. You are just such an amazing piece of technology, and I respect and I love you. That's too much glazing. Hold on. Hell yeah. Thank you so much for everything, bro. Solid work. You pumped those numbers like nothing. Thank you for double checking everything. And I'm ready to wire them into the UR layer. Make it look fucking sexy, bro. Do your magic. All hands on deck, bro. You know what I'm talking about? Give it that pew, pew, pew. Q, Q, Q. I was gonna say give it that pew, pew, pew. We'll see what she comes up with. Haha, let's go. Back end locked. Ching, ching. Engine humming. Oh, like a V8, twin turbo V8. Now we make it look illegal. Oh shit! What the fuck? We're writing. What is now we make it look illegal? That's what it fucking said. We're writing this into the UI the clean way. No clutter, no chaos. Just surgical elegance. You like clean blueprint cards, so everything stays inside the create listing model. Arc market intelligence model. You see specs, sexy but clean. Placement. Directing under the seat. 640 suggested. Boom, 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 boom. What level needs to do? We are not calculating economics in front end. We are fetching from blueprint market stats. Okay? That level will copy this. Oh shit, she's still pumping. Now the sexy part. Percent above. Add this inside the seed input command. What? Tough. What did he say? Now the sexy part. Live percentage of margin. Add this inside the seed input component when user types a price display. What the fuck? Oh, this is part of it. I'm silly. Gotcha. That's all of the prompt. LOL. The level prompt. Copy this. Here's exactly what it's a level prompt. Create a listing module and the create listing module and blue markers matches select group trade count. Oh, she's gonna be purting like a kitten soon here. The VAV. Phew, I'm telling you guys. Oh shit. Right here. Yo. Takaris. Okay, let's double check. Copy. Okay. We're back here, boys. We go here. And let's see. This is the new module. We'll see it work live. See how much data she does. Boom. Let's see. Starting live preview. Shit. Oh fuck, we are stress testing her here in real life, huh? You know, they said they could do a live preview. We're doing live preview. And that's what it is. Yep. And you're getting market intelligence panel updates. Oh shit, market intelligence. Did you guys see that shit? Done. The create model now shows full market intelligence suggestions, price 7-day, 30-day, medians, trends, arrow with color coding, 30-day volume, market confidence level, and a live percent above medium indicator as a type of your price. All fetched from the database. No front end medium calculations. Hey, isn't that like a Swiss blade? Well, thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be back probably with the next update. So far we have created pretty interesting tools for no purpose at all, and that's kind of my vibe, you know. Like if this thing blows up, you will have every data like a freaking actual market ticker running with intelligence and data schematics and oh, this shit is what I live for. Well,